You came all the way back here to save these people? Why, Prime? Because they're innocents. They captured and tortured one of your own. Lives in a plane carrying a weapon that will slaughter millions of their own people simply to get at us. You're a fool. It's not just about saving the Megatron. It's about who we are. It's about the difference between us. It's about what makes you a Decepticon. And me an Autobot. I respect you, Optimus. You're willing to struggle when others would quit. Anchor, proceed with the bomb drop. Rendezvous with us at the ship when you're done. With pleasure. Decepticons, we're leaving. But the space bridge, the city, we have other worlds. We'll start again. It's a price I'm willing to pay. The Autobots can die alongside our humans. When Prime, I'm taking the Matrix with me. Look, Megatron's way to go, Prime. Is he dead? Megatron?
Don't you dare!
Starscream, what are you doing?
Fulfilling my role as a seeker. I'm protecting the leader of the Decepticon Empire. Neither you nor any of your filthy Autobot hero is going to catch him.
This isn't like you. This is your chance. Leave him. Leave him here and leadership is yours.
Leadership of the Decepticons must be taken, Prime. Not magically offered by chance. Something your kind will never understand.
So you're going to run?
Cowards! Cute. We're not going to run. We're simply done playing. Force automa yours from one side of the galaxy to another. Your army is in ruins and we are still the victors. Nothing is gained by prolonging this battle. Now, what are you going to do? Waste time with us or stop a nuclear weapon from destroying this city and everyone in it? Farewell, Prime!